everybody, it's Bunny, and today we're opening this box. Last month I opened a surprise 80s mystery box that I bought off of Etsy, but of course I cannot buy anything else ever without also buying something related to the 90s. As I was browsing for 80s mystery boxes, because you guys had been requesting for me to try and open one of those forever, I saw this guy, which was a 90s mystery box, but it was a little bit different than any other mystery box I had ever purchased because the listing just was a picture of a plush Ren doll. It was $100 and it said it was full of a bunch of stuff from the 90s, all mystery items. It's all supposed to be authentic, but the only thing that I knew that I was buying for $100 is a plush Ren doll. So hopefully it's not going to be another scam. Hopefully it's not just like a plush Ren doll and a bunch of Kleenexes and some roach parts. Let's hope for some authentic 90s goodness today. I just realized how crazy this makes me seem. That and this monkey that I have in the back dressed in some overalls. Actually, I had to have Dog Man bring this box in here. It's very heavy, so I'm going to slice it from up here, and then as I take items out, hopefully I'll be able to lower the box to lap level. Slicing, sawing. Also, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Swamp Family 90s mystery boxes that I am itching and dying to open. We got bubble wrap. Ooh, soothing. Oh, okay. Right on the top, I see a hat. Oh my god, Batman and Robin? I don't remember who plays Robin. Chris something. This one is stuffed. We got our money's worth, fam. Next thing I see is no doubt cassette tape. Oh my god. I know I had this. I love cassette tapes. I remember I used to take my little Sony Walkman to school. Up next is this that I'm so excited about. What? It looks so cute, but I don't even know what it is because it looks like a Pikachu. Obviously it's supposed to be Pikachu. Oh my god. Look at that. You assemble him. Right now he's falling a bit to bits and pieces, but he's got feet. He's got a tail, and this honestly looks fun. Not that long ago, Dogman and I put together a Gundam model, and it was very similar to this, so this one looks like it's gonna be so cute when it's done. Somebody remind me to show you guys. Pokemon, what am I trying to say? Pokemon. Pikachu, once we build him. Oh my gosh, okay. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. It's like a little travel makeup bag. It's like blue gingham, transparent with little white daisies. Right in here we have a unofficial in sync in my pocketbook on Lance. And I love this so much because we have one very similar that somebody else sent me that was a little book on Baby Spice. I think I actually have a couple of them just like this that are the Spice Girls ones. Very cute. The last couple of things in here is a little nail file that looks like it must have come original to the set. We have like a prize egg. I always call them like quarter eggs. Oh my, I'm so excited. I have never seen anything come out of an egg machine this cool. It's another little thing that you put together. It's like a little mannequin girl. You can actually change her eyes and everything else. Some assembly required, but look, she's got like blue hair and a little dress that you can snap on. This is amazing. What is this? It's like a headband. Wait, does it really glow? Oh my god. Party eyeballs. Somebody call Vogue. Tell them I've got 4 eyes and 1 big giant mouth. What is this? This is amazing. This is so cool. Look at that. 1995 from Toy State. Look at this sunglasses case. I'm gonna start using this immediately. It's like hollow, ice, sky baby blue. What's inside? Let me know. It's stuff. Oh, what is all this stuff? It's like Barbie fingerless gloves. Are they my size? They fit. Is this like a Barbie Jeep? I always wanted one of those. We also have these really awesome glasses. These have got to be authentic 90s. They have slightly pink tint to the lenses. Ooh. Inside we have a bunch of awesome hair clips. Look at that one. That's probably my favorite one that I see down here. But we also have, I almost said Lizzie Borden. Pretty sure that's not her. Look at these. I've never seen giant butterfly clips like this. Those are so cool. And then we have a lot of flat butterfly clips in here. And we have some little, oopsies. We have some little daisy clips in here as well. First of all, look at this goodie bag. It makes me think of something that I would have handed out to all my little friends when I was 9. It's a freaking Aladdin vintage Cinderella thermos. It's so pretty. When I just looked down at first, I thought it was Barbie, but it's very clearly Cinderella. Oh, there's our little rat buddies. Next. How did I miss this the whole time? Oh my God, you guys, y'all don't know how much I love the freaking Teletubbies. And oh my God, it's talking to me. Tell me your life secrets. Give me some advice. Bye-bye. Okay, you're not immediately supposed to say bye. I love Poe. I feel like Poe was like the itty bitty little one. This thing is just a million miles deep. Look at this precious little box. It's also blue with daisies. I am loving that pattern. And it sounds like we've got some stuff inside. Watch, it's just like glass breakables. And I'm like, what is it? Oh my God, it is glass breakables. Just kidding. It looks like it's a yo-yo. It is a yo-yo. Come out, string. Time to get my yo on. Yo. I'm not good at this. If at first you don't succeed. Oh, look. I'm a master yo-yoer. I could be in a competition for this. Just pretend like you didn't see that. Oh, we've got some glow-in-the-dark doobly dooblers. We have a Rugrats watch from the Rugrats movie. Oh my gosh, look, we've got a Chucky watch too. Look at that. Oh my God, I literally just ordered one of these separately on Etsy. It's a keychain and it looks like a little mini thing of Tupperware. Just a green bloody hand. What are you reaching out for? A friend? Look at that. It's so fashionable. We have a Pokemon. Oh, I love these things. Just because I can go like that. I think that's Squirtle. No, Bulbasaur. Don't hit me with a rock. Lastly, we have something in here that I know that I had as a kid. I think I turned mine into a magnet, but it's like a Mardi Gras face. And it's porcelain. Next thing in the box is so amazingly cute. Look at him. I love these types of yard decorations. They're like the, you know, like the old-timey plasticky looking ones that normally light up and stuff. Yeah, so you can just put a little bulb in the back and hang him on the wall. This is going directly in the Halloween room to decorate with. I'm so excited. Right now it's just a blank orange room and I'm so ready to start decorating for Halloween. Looks like we have a pile of books. Gonzo's Great Games. Oh my God, I love Gonzo. So it looks like it's gonna be a Muppet pin and activity book. It kind of looks like Mad Libs. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like just full of stories with little activities at the bottom, things to color. This looks totally cool. It's called the Totally Sweet 90s book. And I guess it's just full of like everything 90s imaginable, just like little blurbs and stuff. Oh my God, that literally says, don't copy that floppy. Discovery Zone. I love DZ and Discovery Zone. Discover what I can do on my own. Paint your shirt kit. These are so cool because you can actually like iron this transfer onto a shirt, and then it's like almost like a coloring book that you can put on a t-shirt. 1990, so this is literally on the cusp between the 80s and the 90s. Oh my god, I love this so much too. It is a creamy gel spiral notebook. Do you guys remember when like the milky gel pens came out? Oh my god, this one even still has stickers. That is so cool. But I remember when these like milky gel pens came out and you had to like all of a sudden have this special black paper so that you could see your gel pens. Up next we have a classic, The Stinky Cheese Man. I read this book so many times cover to cover when I was a kid, and I used to always love the art so much. It always looked like very three-dimensional and textured to me. I feel like it just like didn't look like any other illustrations that you saw in kids books. I always felt like this one was a lot more edgy. The last thing that we have here, I can't even believe it, is a primetime magazine with Jim Carrey on the cover with the mask. And oh my god, I was obsessed with Jim Carrey when I was a kid. I wanted to be Jim Carrey when I was a kid. Oh my god, look at what I opened it up to. I forgot all about these things too, where you could get 10 CDs for a penny. I do remember me and my friends would always like pretend to order like whatever soundtracks and stuff that we were gonna pick. I feel like we used to always just like fill these things out but then never send them in. The things you did before you had internet access. Next we have Godzilla birthday party invitations. I'm gonna send these out to my birthday this year. Are you gonna come to my birthday party if I send you a Godzilla invitation? It looks like we have an awesome vintage Halloween bandana. Oh my god, for a minute I thought that was No Face. Doesn't that ghost kind of looks a little like No Face, right? Although he has a face. And also No Face has a face. So why is he called No Face? 2 PC games. So we've got Scooby-Doo and Powerpuff Girls. I feel like this is almost a time when like no software was even made for Apples. Yeah, it just all says like Windows 95. It's like if you had an Apple computer, you just couldn't do anything. Here is our last couple of things all in this adorable bag. Look at how cute it is. It's covered in delicious snacks. Right on the top, we have some more Daisy stuff, and maybe this will remind me of her shop name. Yes, okay, it's called Things You'll Love in Life. I will definitely link you guys to her Etsy store down below. Look at this wrapping paper. I don't know where she got all of this blue stuff with daisies, but I absolutely love it. I feel like this is all stuff that I would have picked out. Freaking adorable. Look at this picture frame. I just noticed it's got like these claws. And what were these called? It was like the kittens, and I think they had dogs as well. And it was like a surprise how many babies they were gonna have. I never had that when I was a kid because I was always just freaked out by the concept of pregnancy and babies. We've got a Barbie photo album. Oh my god, we found Rin. There he is. Hello, Rin. Oh my god, he still has the tag and a little butt. Beep, beep. This right here is very cute. Look at his hands. He's so weird looking. I love him. You know what I have been on the search for forever that this kind of reminds me of? Do you guys remember, weren't they called like Yik Yaks? And they were like this, and you shook their head violently, and then they went, do you know what I mean? 1992. True vintage. Hello, Ran. We have another plushie in here. This time, it is vintage plush Lisa. She even has a little necklace. Attention to detail, 10 out of 10. Look at how magical this is. I swear this is on like the original card. But I used to always love to take stationery stuff like this to school. I felt like it would make me cool and popular, and I don't think it ever did. Oh my god. I am getting rid of my iPhone tomorrow. I never had this phone. This is a Motorola. Oh my god. Look at this. I love it. If anybody knows what this model is, comment down below. I don't even know how old it is, but I mean, definitely this is ye old 90s phone. Hello. Last we have, oh my gosh, it is a toothbrush gripper and a toothpaste topper, and it is Wile E. Coyote and the Roadrunner. I almost just called him Beep Beep. I don't even remember seeing this. This is from 1995. Wiley is for your toothbrush and the Roadrunner is for your toothpaste. I'm kind of tempted to open this and use this on my toothpaste now. We have a Bugs Bunny collectible figurine. Look at how cute that is. 1994. Isn't it so crazy to just imagine that one time toy stores were just filled with items like this? Like, I feel like compared to today's toys, like this is about as like no frills as you can get. It's literally just an action figure that doesn't even move. But I don't know, there's something about stuff like this that I love because I feel like it is so nostalgic. Lastly, look at this cute little mini backpack, patent leather. Oh la la. And it's got this little like heart clasp. It's full of stuff right now. This, which was on the top, and I swear this looks like an outfit, is this, oh my god, it's just a shirt. Look at this. It's like velvet, metallic, rainbow, dot pattern. How would we even describe this as anything other than magical? And the last thing is another blue daisy thing. Oh, it's like a little pouch. What is this? I don't even know what I'm looking at. I don't know what it is. It's like some sort of sculpted wax face with an earring. Does it have a tongue ring? This is so crazy. Oh my gosh. This box was epic, don't you guys think? Leave me your thoughts and opinions down below. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Swamp family, and give an alligator its wings. I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye!